The PolyKit by AseptiKits is a new product for sterile processing of serum tears. Patients can now get their serum tears processed at a local certified lab. It can be done within an hour and at a much lower cost. The PolyKit is easy to use, with a simple serum and saline mixing system that can be used to produce any prescribed concentration of serum tears. The sterilized closed system has two 0.2 micron sterilizing grade syringe filters, such that all delivered solution is filtered to a prescribed sterility assurance level. The eye drop bottles are capped from the outside of the bag to ensure serum tear sterility before removal from the bag. PolyKit sterile processing is technique independent. From each PolyKit, patients receive 4 10 ml eye drop bottles, which is a 2-month supply for most patients. Additional kits may be used during any single patient visit for providing as much as a 6-month supply of eye drops. Using additional kits per visit can substantially reduce patient costs while improving convenience. Should you have any additional questions, please contact your local sales rep or AseptiKits at our website, AseptiKits.com. We look forward to hearing from you.